Hi, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Julian, and on this channel I talk about skincare tips, natural health remedy tips, sex and relationship tips. So if you are interested in any of those topics, consider clicking the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you get to see my videos anytime I upload. Now, welcome to the family. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I love you. I appreciate you. God bless you. This is the point where I ask you to give this video a thumb up because that's what will make you to push my video for more people to see, for more people to view. So in this video today, I'll be showing you a very healthy and natural way to take care of your vagina. But I'll be using the word VJ. So when I say VJ, you know I'm talking about vagina. And this recipe is very natural and very healthy. Zero side effects. There is no side effects. So we can't shy away from this topic. Now, I discover a lot of people shy away from this topic, but we can't shy away from this topic because it's our reality, okay? Because woman's body is very exposed to heat, so if you don't take maximum care of it, it will lead to offensive smell, all right? And it will not look like the person is not neat or the person is not clean. No, that is not it. The thing is that they say follow who know road, and today I'm going to show you the road. All you just need to do, make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. So we all know how sensitive VJ area is, so for that reason you don't need anything harsh in that area. You don't need anything that will cause you side effects in that area. You just need natural things to give it a very nice fresh smell. Now, what and what do I need to make this recipe? All you need is rosemary, all right? Rosemary, thyme, cooking thyme. This one is Gino. You can use any brand. Cooking thyme and water. That's all. Now let me show you the procedure on how to make this. So now this is rosemary. You will add the quantity you want. So all right, I've added the rosemary into the water. So rosemary is already here. Then the next thing I'll be adding is thyme. So in this video I'm using 3 sachets of thyme. Rosemary should be more than thyme. Rosemary quantity should be more than thyme. So I'm using 3 sachets of thyme. Now you cover, shake, so after that, keep it a corner in your house, anywhere. Leave it for 7 days. All right, leave it for 7 days. So you leave it for 7 days. After 7 days you bring it out. Sorry, I don't have any sieve around me here now, so you bring it out, sieve out the water, sieve out the whole water. You just need only the water. You don't need the rosemary and the thyme again. Just sieve out the water and throw away the rosemary and the thyme. So let me just do little example so that you get to see what I'm saying. So I don't have sieve here, that's why I'm doing this. So you sieve out the water, for example. So you sieve out the water. After sieving out the water, just get a small container. It might be something smaller than this or something like this. Anything that you can put in your handbag, that you can easily put in your handbag, so that anywhere you are going, it's just right there with you. Then put the water into the cup, into the container. All right, you sieve it, put it, sieve everything, pour the whole water. Definitely it's gonna be more than this. Pour the whole water in a big rubber, in a rubber, in another jar. All right, then just anytime this size finish, you get another one. So when you want to make the one that can last you for like 2 weeks or thereabouts. Anytime you are going out, you take this one. So anytime you urinate, anytime anytime you urinate, or anytime you want to have sex with your spouse, take wipes. All right, preferable baby wipes, because baby skins are tender, so there is no chemical in this, there is no harmful chemical in this. So take baby wipes, or whatever you use for cleaning after urinating, or when you want to have sex. Just sprinkle it, sprinkle the water here, sprinkle the water on this and use it. You understand? It smells so nice, so nice. And use it to gently wipe, gently wipe the area. And that's all. Now, if you like this video, you consider this video interesting, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have not clicked the subscribe button yet, click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell.